Hello there, my name is McHorse. Or is it?
Nah, it's actually me. Today we'll be covering how to use a tool called Multiskin. Multiskin benefits creators that work with an ongoing series or a main character because it gives you a tool to alter their skin with ease. As always, before we start, I'll set a simple mindset so when I explain everything, it doesn't sound like I'm reading off a wiki page. Think of multiskins as layers. If you're familiar with an editing software like Photoshop, you should understand where I'm going with this. If you're not, think of it as a cake. The bottom is our base layer, which will have our base skin, and the top layer is the overlay, which will be like the clothes. For today's video, we are going to be using the model block. You can find this by going to search items and typing model. It should appear as a Steve. Place down your model block and right click. Select Pick Morph, and you can use any of the player models, but today we'll be using the Alex model because most of my skins are Alex models. In order to use multi-skin, you need at least two things. A base skin, which has to be naked, and an overlay skin, which has either clothing or accessories. Once you have all your skins downloaded, go to Pick Skin, Back, then just select whichever model you're using. We'll be using the Alex model for our demonstration. I have a wide variety of skins in this folder, but today we will be focusing on the specific skins for this video. This may sound weird to editor users, but we want to select the overlay first. Usually, you want the base layer on the bottom, but in Blockbuster, you start with the overlay. Above the overlay, click the plus symbol, then choose your base skin. Remember to keep the top layer selected. The bottom one should be your overlay, and the top should be your base skin. And there you go. But Etho, you might ask, I can just make a skin that has both the clothes and the skin. Why should I use multi-skin? You see, child, multi-skin is a quality of life feature where instead of making multiple skins for your actor with different outfits, you could just have a base skin and a wardrobe. If you have multiple overlay skins made, you can change your actor's clothing with ease. This is basically The Sims. Just remember, the overlay skin, the clothing, is always beneath the base skin. Additionally, you can add more than one layer on an actor. You can add more clothing or accessories. We're back in multi-skin, just add a third layer. If you already have a whole outfit on, I'd recommend just adding accessories, but this can vary. I'm gonna just use a cute bow for our volunteer. You may not be able to see it, but now, on the back of her head, she has a nice little bow. Isn't that cute? I will say, you could just have multiple versions of your character, but I think multi-skin makes it easier to select fashion. Plus, you could use the same overlays for other base skins. Pretty handy. I might use it myself in the future if the opportunity comes, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the guide. If you have any questions, feel free to comment something below or go on to McHorse's Discord server. He has an entire section dedicated for answering questions. With that said, hope you learned something new and goodbye.